Hi, I'm Decimal, and this is a 5-channel passive mixer by Days of Yore. It features 5 mono channels, each with an input and an output, the top row being the input. The build quality is insane. It's made out of solid metal and there is some awesome etching on the device. On the front, we have 25 sturdy volume knobs, each paired with an on and off switch. Each input is split and routed back into all 5 channels for summing. Let's connect some gear to this mixer. I was thinking one of the best ways to experiment with this mixer is with a bunch of drone synths. With all my synths powered now, all I have to do is route all the signals into the mixer. Cool. In this setup, the Matrix mixer feels like an extension of the drone synths, almost like an instrument on its own. It is the ultimate pairing when it comes to experimenting and mixing with these crazy ambient signals. I wanted to add effects to the setup, so I decided to make a coffee and route all the sounds into a Korg NTS1 to add chorus delay and reverb. Basically, all the sum outputs of the Matrix are being routed to a normal mixer, and then that is being routed to an NTS1 for effects, which is then going into my recorder. I hope that makes sense. As a sound design tool, I'm loving the setup. On channel 1, I have the Lyra 8 connected. With the first knob, I could fade in the volume in and out or kill the sound with the switch. On channel 4, I have the Lore, which is this little green thing. When I turn on row 1 channel 4 knob, I can flip between the Lyra 8 on one side and the Lore on the other. Now imagine extending that to all 5 channels. That is the power of the Matrix mixer. Using the liquid drone in this setup feels ethereal and almost otherworldly. I also just noticed that there's a ton of Canadian craftsmanship here on this table with the Lore, the Matrix mixer, Ovum, and the liquid drone. As a Canadian content creator myself, I love you guys. Keep making awesome stuff. Time to try something new. Okay, in this new setup, I'm taking the output of one of these synths and rerouting it with effects back into the mixer. This is so I can use the Matrix mixer to blend the sounds. This is another way that you can use the Matrix mixer as a effects pedal chain. The signals are attenuated to about 12 dB, which leaves enough headroom for summing multiple sources. Now, I don't know what type of sorcery these guys at Days of Yore are up to, but they were able to make this mixer without any noticeable noise when mixing the signals. The mixer does get some getting used to because it is not a normal mixer by any means, and you kind of have to rethink what a mixer can be. That being said, the Matrix mixer is one of the most refreshing pieces of gear I have used in a long time. The Matrix mixer is a sound designer's wet dream, and it's also a beautiful piece of craftsmanship. I want to thank Days of Yore for sending over the mixer over for me to check out, and I'll leave a link down below where you can get the passive Matrix mixer, and thanks for watching.